The Oromo people constitute the largest number of population in Ethiopia. The traditional administrative system is one of the Oromo's indigenous heritage, which includes religious, political, social and economic affairs of the people for centuries. The Oromo people believe in one supernatural being, Waka or God. The religion is called Wakefana, which means believing in one God that is the creator of the whole universe. Wakefana is the component of the Gada system. It is the main celebration of the new year. The elders of Oromo religion and other people holding freshly cut grass and a yellow flower and perform their prayer and thanksgiving rituals to God by going to the hilltop or mountain and river banks. This religious ceremony is known as Irreecha. Irreecha is the celebration where people get together and perform their prayers and give thanks to God. Irreecha is a ceremony which is conducted at the river base or the top of mountain. In the Irreecha of the mountain, the prayers ritual conducted at the hilltop of mountain, especially in the winter season. They believe that Waka or God could hear the prayers more and give rewards if people pray on hilltops. Irreecha on the side of water bodies is conducted in the season of autumn, after the rainy season ended in September. The month of September, especially the day of Irreecha, is regarded as the day of happiness. Therefore, celebrants of Irreecha ceremony gather at the ritual parades and sing the song Mareo and praise Waka or God. The attendants praise the Lord for helping them to see the new season. Oromo people from different parts of the country gather to Horar City. The center of Irreecha ceremony is Horar City, which is located north of Bishoftu town. Bishoftu is located some 44 kilometers south of Addis Ababa. Attendants that are believed to be more than 3 million enjoy the ceremony. Once they reach the lakeside, the elders gathered round and perform their prayers. The lake is then blessed, and the elders sprinkle the blessed water with the grass they hold to bless the gathering.
ሳር እርጥብ ነገር ይዘን ውሃ አለበት እግዚአብሔርን አመስግነን
We hold wet grass and come to river and sprinkle water on people with the grass and give thanks to God. We also pray to God for mercy for the sins we commit in the past year. We wash our body with water and ask our God to refresh our heart and mind for the better future.
In the religion of Wakafana, Waka or God and the water are regarded as the source of life. In addition, Waka and water are pure. Some used to believe that Oromo worship mountain, river and seas, but this is far from true.
አንዳንድ ሰዎች የተሳሳተ አመለካከት አላቸው በውሃ ወይ ደግሞ በዛፍ በግንዱ ምናምን ያምናሉ የሚል የተሳሳተ ግምት አለ ግን አይደለም.
Some people who have wrong perception think that the Oromo people worship water, river and mountain. But this is absolutely wrong. The Oromo people come to river's bank or the top of a mountain to praise their creator God. Therefore, new generations should protect and preserve their culture.
ይሄ ውሃ እግዚአብሔር የሰጠን ነው ይሄንን ውሃ የሰጠን እኛ መሬቲቷ እንድትለማ ተክሎቹ እንዲለሙ
We came here to give thanks to God who transferred us from rainy season, which is considered as darkness, to a bright season. God gives us rivers and lakes for plants to grow and animals and human beings to live. That's why we came here to thank God.
The Oromo go to the top of mountains and down to river banks and lakes not to worship the mountain or river, rather to avoid any destructive noises that hinder not to worship their God or Waka properly. They believe that green is holy and peaceful and the places where the spirit of God is found. These ceremonies are guided by the religious elders and the main contents of the prayers with the wish for peace, social order, happiness and love among fellow people, fertility and surplus production. In Oromo culture, the rainy season is considered to be a symbol of darkness. At the beginning of September, the darkness is gone, the rivers get deeper and cleaner, and the mud is gone. The celebration of Irreecha is attended by many Oromo people from different parts of the country and abroad. The people gather in Bishop's town. All men and women wear traditional clothes based on their status and regional customs. Oromo women decorate themselves with different ornaments and clothes which represent their social position in the society.
Dabarisi, Irreecha Doakenya, Tukuma Oromia, Sonsina, Bagajan Irreecha, Oromo Kapdan Dabarisi, Irreecha